Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on paired t-tests. So after we have converted our Excel file into a .csv format and have uploaded that CSV file into JASP as shown in previous videos, we should have something that looks like this. So a little about this data set I have in front of me. This data set provides the average number of disruptive behaviors by dementia patients during two different phases of the lunar cycle, and each row corresponds to one participant. In this analysis, we will examine the adequacy of the null hypothesis, which states that the average number of disruptive behaviors among patients with dementia does not differ between moon days and other days, and we will set out to prove or disprove this. So before starting with the test, we will first determine the variables. So these columns, the moon days and the other days columns, are the independent variables which are qualitative, and these rows indicate the dependent variables which are quantitative. And this data is acquired after comparing the same group of patients on different days. Hence, we will choose to use the paired t-tests. So we will select on the t-test icon right here and select on the paired samples t-test under the classical statistics option. After doing that, we will move both of these icons, the moon and the other icon, to the variable pairs box, and there we have it. We have the paired t-test done for us, and this is a table which the software automatically generates for us. As we can see, the p-value here is less than 0.001, which indicates that it is highly statistically significant, the result. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.